Friendship is a very special relationship in our life. It is a beautiful gift of God. We can share our problems and happiness with our friends. Good friends always guide us to do good things in our life. A friend in need is a friend indeed signifies the essence of true friendship. There is always a sense of respect and responsibility in true friendship. Friendship is a tool to be happy in sorrow and to stay joyful while feeling happy. Friendship teaches you love and sacrifice for your friend. A person without a friend lives a hard life. Your real friend will always motivate you and always cheer for you. Ethel Watts Mumford says God gave us our relatives. Thank God we can choose our friends. Thanks for watching. Please like my video and subscribe my channel Our Knowledge.